In today's world, sustainability is no longer a choice, it is a responsibility. Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste end up in landfills and oceans, harming wildlife and polluting our planet. But inside this modern factory in the United States, a powerful solution is taking shape. Reusable kitchen wraps and silicone storage bags designed to replace single-use plastic. Welcome to FactoryVerse USA. Today, we take you inside a cutting-edge, eco-friendly factory to reveal the complete manufacturing process of reusable kitchen wraps and food-grade silicone bags, from raw materials to final packaging. Our journey begins at the raw material storage area. Here, large containers hold food-grade silicone pellets, the foundation of every reusable wrap and storage bag produced in this facility. These pellets are made from high-quality silicone polymers that are non-toxic, BPA-free, odorless, and safe for direct contact with food. Before production begins, every batch of raw material is carefully inspected. Quality control technicians analyze purity, flexibility potential, and heat resistance using digital testing instruments. Only silicone that meets strict U.S. food safety standards is approved for processing. This step ensures that the final products are not only durable, but also completely safe for everyday kitchen use. Once approved, the silicone pellets are transported via automated conveyor systems to the melting section. The molten silicone now travels through sealed stainless steel pipes toward the molding area. This is where precision engineering meets sustainability. For reusable kitchen wraps, flat molds are prepared with exact measurements. These molds determine the thickness, texture, and flexibility of each wrap. High-pressure injection systems carefully spread the molten silicone across the molds, ensuring even distribution without air bubbles or weak spots. Slow, controlled motion allows the silicone to settle perfectly, creating a uniform surface that can stretch, seal, and cling to containers of all shapes and sizes. Next comes the cooling phase. Freshly molded silicone sheets move through temperature-controlled cooling tunnels. This step stabilizes the structure and locks in elasticity. Overhead cameras and infrared sensors monitor cooling speed to prevent warping or uneven texture. As the silicone cools, it becomes semi-transparent, smooth, and flexible, the signature look of high-quality reusable wraps. Once cooled, the silicone sheets enter the cutting section. Laser-guided cutting machines trim each sheet into precise sizes, small, medium, and large wraps designed for bowls, plates, and food containers. The lasers move with extreme accuracy, producing clean edges and consistent shapes. Factory workers visually inspect the edges as the wraps move along the conveyor belt. Any imperfect pieces are automatically removed and sent for recycling, ensuring zero waste whenever possible. After cutting, the wraps are prepared for washing and sterilization. Industrial washing units use purified water to remove any microscopic residue from the surface. This step guarantees hygiene and food safety. Quality control is a critical part of the process. In the testing lab, technicians stretch, fold, and bend the wraps repeatedly to evaluate flexibility and durability. The wraps are tested for heat resistance, cold tolerance, and sealing performance. They must withstand freezer temperatures as well as warm food conditions. Only products that pass all mechanical and safety tests receive final approval. Approved wraps move to the branding and printing section. Here, eco-friendly inks are used to apply subtle logos, usage icons, and sustainability messages. The printing process is designed to maintain flexibility without cracking or fading. Every detail is carefully aligned to ensure consistent branding across all products. Now, let's move to the production of reusable silicone storage bags. In a separate molding area, specialized molds shape the bags with built-in Ziploc seals. Molten silicone is injected into bag molds under controlled pressure. Special attention is given to the sealing edges, as airtight performance is critical. After molding, the bags enter a cooling tunnel similar to the wrap process. Once cooled, each bag undergoes a water tightness test. They are filled with liquid and gently pressed to ensure zero leakage. Any bag that fails this test is removed immediately. The approved silicone bags are washed, sterilized, and dried using the same high hygiene standards. Quality inspectors then manually test the zipper seals, opening and closing them repeatedly to ensure long-term durability. This step ensures the bags can be reused hundreds of times without losing performance. Packaging is where sustainability truly shines. Instead of plastic, this factory uses recyclable craft paper packaging. Minimal ink, clean design, and clear instructions reduce environmental impact. Before shipping, a final inspection takes place. Random packages are opened to verify contents, cleanliness, and packaging integrity. Once approved, products are stacked in the warehouse, organized, labeled, and ready for distribution. Forklifts transport pallets to the loading docks, where trucks wait to deliver these eco-friendly products across the United States and beyond. As the day comes to an end, machines are cleaned, inspected, and prepared for the next production cycle. Waste silicone scraps are collected and recycled whenever possible, supporting the factory's Zero Waste initiative. This commitment to sustainability extends beyond products. It is embedded in every step of the manufacturing process. Reusable kitchen wraps and silicone storage bags are more than just alternatives to plastic. They represent a shift toward conscious living, responsible manufacturing, and a cleaner future. Each wrap reused means one less piece of plastic waste. Each silicone bag replaces hundreds of disposable bags. And it all starts right here, inside this factory. Thank you for watching FactoryVerse USA. If you enjoyed this inside look at sustainable manufacturing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. More factory stories, more innovation, and more behind-the-scenes processes are coming soon. This is FactoryVerse USA, where manufacturing meets the future.